Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna keep developing our OurLoveCanvas together. So I have a couple of ideas, I have a couple of features in my mind right now, and last time we stayed at implementing Twitter, which is I was creating a post creator application at the same time. So we were trying to create a content brief, and AI was creating a post at the same time in the background, and we connect with our post creator application and the X. So when we click publish button, it was going to publish the website. It was going to publish a tweet, and I couldn't finish on stream. I couldn't finish that feature on the stream, but after stream I finished it, so I can easily post. I can easily send a tweet via my website, via my application, through APIs. So which is pretty good. And today I have an idea, but this idea is not about post creator application. I want to develop directly OurLoveCanvas. I have an idea in my mind. So the idea is when we have when we create a website and when we send it to our lover, we can add an option of client. So we can ask client that, do you want this website to be private for just you and your partner, or do you want it to be on public mode? So when client select the private mode, it can maybe create a password for you, and it can maybe ask you to create a password. And after you create a password, and after you share your link with your lover, when your lover enters the password, then the website opens. Therefore, it can be private for both of you, but it can hide from someone else at the same time. And also, I give you a opinion. I give you a choice to make it public as well. So that's optional, and I think that's a really good. And today I'm trying to I will try to implement that feature. So let's do it. Let's open our Claude Code. So I was sick a little bit yesterday. I couldn't open a stream, so I'm gonna keep open from here, and I think it's gonna be better. As I told you, we're gonna work on OurLoveCanvas right now. So I'm running my OurLoveCanvas in the local, and I run my backend and the front end in the local, and I just published my database on Docker. My Docker is open right now. I'm gonna keep creating on the local. I didn't publish it yet. I just have a waitlist, so you can find a link down below of OurLoveCanvas.com, so you can join a waitlist of that. So I'm going to share the development process of every my waitlister, and by entering a waitlist, you can have 30% of discount for your first website creation. So I think that's going to be really pretty fair. Okay, so our feature was trying to implement a private and public option for the creator, and we have two different scenarios of every selection. Wait, let me open my project on background. I think it's gonna take I don't think that it's gonna take too much. I think it's gonna take approximately 1 hour. I can finish it on 1 hour. Maybe I can finish it on earlier. So I have a promise to someone to spend time with, which is pretty good. Okay. Okay, here's our website. So you can directly log in. You can use your Google account. Oops, it's not working right now. Wait, I need to check it. Oh, my backend didn't work right. Okay, I'm waiting for my backend to get up. So I hope you're also good. I hope you're having a good time. Today was pretty busy for me. I still feel a little sick. I couldn't renew, couldn't get healthier better. But I didn't want to stop streaming. I want to make it as a habit. I want to make it on. Want to make it a habit, so I want to keep going like that every day. I don't want to procrastinate it because I also have a good time. I'm also having a good time with you. I like to sharing that. Actually, I'm I can say that I'm pretty stuck right now because I don't know should I focus on post creator application or OurLoveCanvas because post creator applications working pretty good, I can say. It's not working exactly as I want. It's not working. It's not creating a post exactly this exact vibe. But it's working at least. I have some ideas on OurLoveCanvas, and I don't. Maybe I can improve the catalog of OurLoveCanvas. We can create some templates together to edit, because as I told you in the last stream that OurLoveCanvas is my project, and you can create a website for your lover. You can select some website template from the catalog, and as according to your selection, you can put some of your images, some of your text, some of videos maybe. It's also a feature. You will be able to upload your videos, which is pretty good. And you can create a website for your lover, and you can send it to your lover directly. You can just click the link and you can deposit it so easily. I don't think that's is a bad idea. And I think that application to be a one-time payment, and I don't want it to make it multiple subscription model or something like that, but it can be increased by domain support, because it also includes domain prices. Every website includes your domain price at the same time. And I'm thinking that maybe I can improve OurLoveCanvas of creating not only websites for your lover, but also you can maybe create a website for your wedding. You can maybe create websites for your you can maybe create websites for another topics, like your wedding, like some of your meetings. Maybe you can create a website for your family at the same time. It doesn't have to be just only romantic content. But right now I will keep it simple. I'm just gonna create that. I'm just gonna make it ready, and I'm just gonna ship it, and then I'm gonna check if client wants me to create more features on that, because I don't want to create something so complicated. I don't want to create it so overwhelmed. So that's what I want to do. Okay. Now I want to create a feature. Wait, it's gonna create on plan mode, which is gonna work pretty good. I want to create a feature creating a website process. About creating website is public or private. Well, find it's creating the website sections. Also, to find that is the website going to be public clients use if client choose public, that means going to be, as it is. But client use private mode, I want client, no, I want to create, no, I want, yeah, I will ask client to create that, because maybe they might set that password as their anniversary date, so which can be romantic also. So I want to give that option to the client. I want you to ask client to set a 4-digit password, 4-digit number password. I want you to ask a client to set a 4-digit number password. When client finish a website and share it with their lover, their lover. When the lover enters the website, it could ask the password. So enter inside and see the content. But if it is a public project, just keep the process without asking a password. Okay. I think it's going to be enough for the first phase. Okay, let's try it. A private place where they can join. A private place where they can join because today. Yeah, that's what I want to. That's what I want to do, because maybe they will ask to keep that website for themselves. Maybe that's that may be important for them to create. I want to give that option to the client. I want to make them, maybe they want to keep it private for them. So that's also going to be option for that. But at the same time, maybe they will ask to keep it on public, though. Maybe they will ask it to share it with people. It's a good idea too. Okay. When we enter our website, everything looks good so far. You can log in with your Google account. I'll create some examples for myself. I just have one template so far, which is pretty enough. I'm just gonna, I will create the whole catalog for that. And when you select it, it directly navigates you a create builder page. Create builder page is going to allow you create a website by looking at live preview, which is gonna help you a lot, I think. We can start texting blah 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 blah. I love you. I love you so much. Yeah, I love you too. This moment was so special with you. Blah 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 blah. You can add some images. You can add some images. You can check it. Blah blah blah. It shows you exactly where it's gonna be positioned. It shows you where it's gonna appear. Oh, what is saying? Where should the public, private choice and pin configure to be builder UI? Yeah, that's it's asking me to do. Inline card in builder. Step in a model before submit. Separate step after creation. Okay, should I ask that feature to be before of before of builder UI, or should I ask it on builder, or should I ask it after builder? I think let's think about it now. So I think when I select the template, I wanted to ask me that is it gonna be private first, because after putting all my images and blah 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 blah, I don't want to think about something else too. Yeah, I will make it to ask it before creation. So that a privacy access card website will be alongside title and something is a please select your opinion. After selection, templates in catalog menu, navigate builder page that going to make some settings about web page to print. Right now, just put privacy question on that website, on that page. I will add more feature. When user submit, no, when user clicks next button, navigate it to the builder. Keep settings. It's fine. When a lover enters the URL of a private website, how should the pin gate work? Front-end model. Access token. No, I don't want to make it like private front-end model because it should be disabled by some Chrome extensions, which I don't want them to do. Backend render gate page. Backend servers and HTML pin. Plain prompt, no session number. Coping model. Yeah, model. Make that page. Ooh. Yes, actually you can make it blur. Oh yeah. You can make it with model. At the same time you can make background blur. So I don't want that it is gonna be possible to make it clear. At the same time. So like should the pin be editable after website creation? Yes, it should be optional. How strict should the pin format be? Exactly 4 numeric digits. Yes. Okay. Let's check what it do. I highly recommend you to use Opus model if you have enough. Uh, if your if your subscription is enough, because I don't think that it's 5x is gonna be enough for you. So you might buy a 20x version of that. Okay, I think it's finished. Okay, let's see that. Let's see what it do. Let me check the background. Let me check what did it change. Oh, okay. Keep writing that. Okay, create a plan. This is database. Okay, it's gonna update database. It's gonna play is private access pin hash pin failed attempts. Oh, it's also gonna add. Okay. It is gonna also count entering attempts. Okay. Pin locked until the website. Okay, that's a good idea. Not bad. I'm on it. Okay. Okay. Gonna update PTO, blah 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 blah. Create pin hash breakdown, blah blah blah. Okay. Website meta. Verify pin website token. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's proceed that. Let's proceed that. Okay. Okay. Also, today I talked about I read an article about how I turned my life story into a startup project. So, OurLoveCanvas has a story behind, and I talk about how I gained that, how I created that idea, and how I planned that, and how it happened, which is pretty interesting, I think. I read it on X and Medium at the same time. I shared on my profile, so you can follow my Twitter account, you can follow my X, and you can follow my LinkedIn, which is you can reach right down below my stream. You can find all needed links below, and you can at the same time you can follow my developing process, and you can follow me if you want, and that would be pretty good if you want to help me right now, to be honest. Okay, it updated Prisma schemas. It updated the database tables. Yeah, keep working background. Yeah, I agree with the Cloud Opus is it worked pretty fast, to be honest. It's I don't know how he approached the fast version of that, to be honest. I only have two version of Opus 4.7, but I don't know how does he reach that. Anthropic has already a new model, which is Mythos. Well, Mythos, but I'm not sure that they. I think they didn't release it. They keep it inside, and they're gonna service it for the governmental process. I'm not sure.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but
service file at the same time. It's gonna read all of them at the same time, and it's gonna create something new. And also there are two different environments, which is local and test mode. And when it creates a URL, it is gonna be on. It should work on when I'm working on local mode. It should gonna create some local website URL. So it's also processing in behind, and it looks like that it can be done in 20 minutes, but it might be more complicated process. I also tried to open a stream in Twitch at the same time. I was thinking that I did everything right, but actually I couldn't make it work. I think I should set my stream as my main platform on OBS. Then I should make it on. I should make my build stream platform on OBS as a Twitch, and then I should set the other one as a YouTube. I couldn't make it work, and I don't know why. Next song. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with that. Opus is the fastest model I've ever worked as an agent. And I also use I also use Kimi on Post Creator, my Post Creator application. And it takes really long time to create even a simple basic Twitter tweet, which I don't really like. Yeah, it has a really good scores on some several benchmarks, and it's also a reasoning model, as I know. And even though it creates a really good tweets, it takes incredibly long to create it. Maybe as I remember, it takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes to create a basic tweet, which is not logical at all. It's so cheap. It's so cheap though, but I still I still use ChatGPT 4 mini model right now, which is pretty cheap and pretty fast at the same time. And it gives me really good it gives me really good results of tweeting. It's also pretty good at posting, creating some Twitter, some social media posts. The reason that Kimi is so slow is I think because it's reasoning model, so it keep thinking on background, keep thinking and thinking. That's why it creates so slow responses. But it's also so cheap, really. Yeah, it's gonna take longer than we expect. Yeah, how it process right now is going good. Next one. Okay. it's really good news for Cloud because they increased 50% of vehicle limits, which is pretty important for most of $20 Pro subscribers, because even though I'm using 20x Max version, it's sometimes difficult for me to not reach the limit. So I can't even think about what is $20 of subscribers are doing, because it might finish their usage in one prompt. So that's really good. It's gonna be 15% higher through July 13, which is pretty good. Which is also even good for me too. Next song. Next song. Okay, I think it's finished. It's gonna finish so soon, because it tells me that it's finished on the development on backend side. It's also had a build on front end too. It build looks clean. I think it's gonna finish so quick. It is gonna finish so soon, and I want to check how it is look like. Maybe I should use medium version of Opus 4.7, because as you can see that maybe it looks slow, pretty slow for that. You want me to make Prisma migrates and okay. I don't know if it worked for me. Implementation complete, public and okay. I need to do some migrations. And I need to have public access to this secret for that, right? Where is it? Where did it put it? Okay, you want me to enter on Joey. I need to enter on .m. Okay, could have finished. Next one. I use Opus 4.7 for most of my projects, but I read some tweets about the medium version is pretty fast for that, but I use extra high version of that. It might be slow, so for some tasks, but I'm so happy with the performance, especially on coding side. And yeah, you can use both. You can use medium version if your task is not that complicated, but you can keep working on extra high too if you don't have time limitations. I'm creating some developments on backend side. I'm sorry, I couldn't show you that. Okay. Okay, let's wait until it stands up. I will wait until it stands up. Next one. System up. Let me check for the. It took pretty long to get out. You want to see how it looks like right now? I think it worked. When you enter your template catalog, just select, and it directly lets you to choose is this going to be public or private. And when you select private, it asks you to enter 4-digit PIN, which is exactly what we want. I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get my 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it work? Okay, I don't think that it's working 100% right now because backend it didn't get out fully. It should be. I think I should wait a little bit more, a couple of minutes maybe. Okay. Next. Okay, when I create in private, say it says me that it is going to be private. When I say that it's want to change it again, it also navigates me to back. Okay, we can set it as a public right now from here too, and it tells me that it's in public via badge, and I can add with that again. Okay, that is pretty good. Love you so much. I love you, blah blah blah. Say I love you, blah 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 blah. Okay. I put some images, some dummy images for the project tests. Is it private right now? Yeah, is it private? Okay, I upload it uploads images. Why ask me to do it again? I did it already, I said it. Wait. Oh. Wow, that didn't work. That didn't work. Let's check it. Okay. Next one. We'll try it again. I think it didn't work because of server didn't get up yet. But it looks like that it's gonna work right now. I'm not sure. I'm gonna test it again. Okay, everything looks fine. I have a private setting and it looks everything clear. When I click that, okay, it gives me error because I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. What about now? Do not navigate me to back. Do not navigate me to back. Okay. Okay. Let's set up. Hmm. Yeah. I changed directly website into preview to publish because I didn't integrate the payment integration yet. And when I want to see how it's gonna look like on local, and I'm changing it via my database directly. Dealer page and try it again. Okay. Next one. Very. Let's see together. I want to create a website. I choose one of them from that. I want to make it private, and I say that I'm gonna use on my girlfriend's birthday. And I set it up. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. blah 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 blah. Yep, blah 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 blah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Generate preview. It's private. If I click generate preview, it shouldn't navigate me into the setting page again. Let's do that. Please work. Okay, you directly navigate me into preview because I didn't pay it yet. After I see that, to see how it works, I am going to scroll down, and it tells me an alert. It gives me alert that purchase to see the full website. After I purchased that, I didn't implement it, but I'm gonna implement it. After I click purchase button, I am gonna pay for that. I'm gonna make a payment, and after I pay, I just think that it's been paid already, because I see that, like, you also can see that it's in preview mode right now, and you can preview how your website look like. It keeps telling you that you need to see the purchase, and you also can change it from that. And pin already is saying the pin already set 1111. I can change it from here too. I can delete website from here. I'm gonna change the status directly via my database, which I didn't implement yet. I'm gonna directly change the status via here. Okay. I think it really worked right now. It's working pretty good. Okay, I changed status directly from database. Okay, when I reload that, you should also see that it's published right now. Yes, it's published right now, and I copy link. The link is www. My username. I'm gonna put some also restrictions of Turkish or any other characters. Username.OurLoveCanvas.com. When I say view site, it tells you that you should give a pin for that. So if I enter wrong password, it tells me that it's wrong. Okay, that's pretty good. If I use the right one, it exactly navigates me into see that, which is pretty good feature, and it's working pretty good. I can make some little customizations on that. For example, I don't want people to use what password is when they enter that, and I can say that I want you to keep password entering model to hide password. What user enters as number. It worked pretty good, right? Thank you. It looks pretty good. Okay, when I want to change the privacy, when I said it is gonna be public anymore, can I see the website easily? Yeah, I can see that. It works. Okay, for example, the vice versa. I want to make it private. I don't want to make it public anymore. I want to put as I'll put some password. When I want to see that, that is a bug, for example. Okay, that is also a bug. Let's fix that together. Next song. Next song. Next song. Next song. You need to check this out. We're about to make 2 hours of stream. I think I'm gonna close it on when we reach 2 hours. I'm gonna close it soon because I have a promise to someone. Okay, it asked me to restart backend server. Okay, let's do that. I don't know why, but it really will take long to get up on backend. I don't know, maybe it's because of the performance. No, okay, it was easy to this time. Now it's on private mode. I want to make it on public. It's public right now. Okay, I want to change it on private. Oh wait, I'm gonna check that. Yeah, it worked pretty good. And I want to change the privacy. I want to make it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's on private right now. And when I want to see that, it keeps telling me that it should be. Oh, maybe I need to research frontend too. That is why. Okay, it worked pretty good, and I think that's enough for me for today. And we have implemented privacy settings for creating website process, which is pretty useful, and I think it works pretty good. And tomorrow I have some plans of implementing new features of OurLoveCanvas, and I think it's gonna be like can be some new improvements about catalog. I need to add some filters on catalog site because every template is gonna be a different usage and different template versions, and I want to add some filtering feature of catalog. And also, I don't think that is gonna take so long. Also, I want to add some customization on builder page because it looks so simple, so basic. Yeah, it should look like that, but at the same time, I want to make it look some innovative way. So I'm gonna implement some new UI customizations on builder page too. And thank you for watching my stream so far, and thank you for supporting me. You can reach all the details about OurLoveCanvas. You can go into Waitlist and you can put your name, put your email on the waitlist, and you can have 30% of discounts for your first project, first website. And thank you so far. You watched me until that time. And see you on tomorrow. See you on our next trip. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.